Okay, I have a fun effect for you today, and for this you could use a borrowed deck of cards. Okay, so go ahead and just mix the cards well. Now what we need for this, and you can have the spectator choose the cards, we need 8 red cards and 8 black cards. Okay, and it's okay if we see what cards are chosen. Okay, so you could even just spread these out, have the spectator choose 8 of each. Okay, it looks like we have a bunch of red here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 red. That's perfect. And then we need 8 black. Okay, so here's 5, and then we just need 3 more. Perfect. And then we won't need the rest of the deck, so it can be set aside. And then have the spectator go ahead and for each of these, divide it in half, 2 packets of 4 red and 2 packets of 4 black. Have them randomly flip 1 of each, like this. And then mix these well. You can do a rosette shuffle or just a little table wash if you'd like for each color. Okay. And mix them well. That's great. And then have the spectator randomly stack these. So maybe they'll put the black on the red. Okay, very good. Now at this point, what we're going to do is deal out the cards into 2 piles with the spectator deciding on the stacking order. Okay, since we've seen the cards, right, we probably should mix them a bit. Okay, would you like left on right or right on left? Your choice, left on right. Okay, why don't we do that again? Okay, so we'll just do it for a total of 3. That should be enough to really mix the cards well. You want right on left this time, and the final left right. Okay. How would you like these stacked? Left on right. Okay, very good. Now at this point we can perform something called a Charlier shuffle, and I can add a link in the description below if you want to learn this shuffle. It's a great one to learn. More importantly, I'll have you come in here and randomly cut it wherever you would like and complete the cut. Okay, very good. In an effort to mix the cards further, I'm going to push off odd numbers of cards, but you can tell me what numbers to work with. So 1, 3, 5, 7. And then you'll be allowed to leave that set as is or flip. So I'll get us started here. So 3 cards, you want it left as is or flipped. Left, okay. And then 3 here, flip. Okay, what about 3 here? Down as is, flip, flip, flip. Okay, why don't we give you the chance to decide how many? You want just 1 card? Okay, would you like leave or flip? Flip, okay. What do you want now? 5, okay. Leave or flip? Your choice. Flip, okay. You want 3, leave or flip? Just leave it. 3 again, okay. Leave or flip? Flip. And then 3 again, just leave it. How about the final one? Flip. Okay. I think you'd have to agree that the cards must be beyond the knowledge of anyone. So to finish, all we're going to do is just deal out the cards into 2 piles. Just into 2 piles like this. Okay. So let's take a look at what we were able to do working together, given all of the random choices that you made. Look, oh, that's kind of interesting. Check that out. All the cards facing this way are red. Whoa, oh boy, check that out. All of the cards facing up here are black. How in the world did you do that? What's that? You want to see what's on the other side? Okay, sure. Let's take a look. Oh, boy. What in the... No, there's no way. You perfectly separated the reds from the blacks. How in the world did you do that? That is amazing. Okay, so how do you do this? You do exactly what I did, and this is guaranteed to work every single time. And it's using a new, what I call a new Hummer principle, in particular, staccato odd principle. So I'll add a link in the description below to a series in which I talk about the principle. That's where we're flipping or leaving any odd size number of cards. Okay, so that's where that principle comes in. But I will also add a full write-up with the steps and explanations of what's going on within this effect. So thank you for watching, and take a look at other videos on the Absolute Math Magic channel.